How to get Google search bar on iPhone home screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a Google search bar to your home screen on iPhone. But before that, if you guys are new to app hacks, just go down below and hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. First, if you guys didn't know, Google does provide a widget for iPhone users to add a Google search bar. So for that, long press on your screen, tap on the edit button on the top left, and there you will see add widget option. Tap on it. After you tap on that, scroll down and you will see your Google somewhere around here. Scroll down and it should be right here. So there is Google. Tap on that and choose the widget. Now this is the one for your search bar. Tap on this, select that and tap on add widget. After you do that, just make its placement, tap on done and you're good to go. So that is how you can add Google search bar to your home screen on iPhone. But for that, you will also need to download the Google app first. So go to your app store and download the Google app. And yeah, that is basically how you do that. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.